Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making twisted donuts. If you love soft and delicious donuts, you clicked on the right video. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. I am adding the milk, sugar, and yeast. Mix this together, cover it, and let it sit for 5 minutes. I enjoy being in the kitchen, but I also want to save time for other things. So I have been using this mixer from the brand Zacme for a while now. I am not a big fan of kneading dough, so this mixer comes in handy. When I plug the mixer in, she shines really bright, so I named her Sunny. I wanted to name her Demir because she's really quiet. I can use her late at night for a little snack and she doesn't wake up everyone in the house. After 5 minutes, I am adding the egg and the flour. I will mix till well combined before adding half stick of room temperature butter. After adding the butter, I started kneading the dough for 7 minutes. I can adjust the timer and the speed, but I don't like my girl working too hard. My girl Sunny is a little heavy but not too heavy and a little expensive. But that just tells me she's built well and I get to have her around for a long time. Check the description box for more info on the mixer. I know the dough is ready when it's smooth and stretchy. I have a piece of dough here. If I can see my fingers behind it, it's good. I pour a little oil in here before adding the dough. I will let the dough rise for 1 hour. I am also covering the dough with plastic wrap. After 1 hour, I took the dough out, sprinkled some flour before placing the dough. I also sprinkled some flour on the dough before rolling it out. If you prefer short donuts, I suggest not rolling it out a lot with the rolling pin. I trimmed the top and the bottom before dividing it. I want the donuts long but not super long. So I'm folding the dough in half, pinching it together, and rolling it out. After rolling it out, I started rolling in opposite directions. If the dough is sticky, sprinkle some flour on the area. I placed my finger in the middle before twisting the dough. I removed my finger and started twisting one over the other. I pinched the ends together. I will cover the dough, let it rest for 13 minutes before frying it. I added a piece of dough to check the oil temperature. If the dough burns right away, the oil is too hot. If the dough takes a long time to turn brown, the oil is too low. I have a little cinnamon and sugar. The cinnamon is optional. I am adding the sugar to the donut. I will give it a good shake and repeat the process. Let me know down in the comments what else you would like to see me make using the mixer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.